Welcome back to my channel. Today I got some good news. I got some good news. I got some good news. Alright, so guess what, guys? I got my first sponsorship. Woo! Okay, so today we're gonna be working with Luvme here. They were kind enough to send me this wig, and we're gonna get into the box. First of all, purple is my favorite color. I did not tell them that. I know they probably send this box to everybody, but I feel special. So it comes in a box like this. The people they done dented my box up, but we're not gonna talk about that. And then it comes with this bowl right here. Then we're just gonna get into what comes inside. So let's see. Alright, so we're gonna start with this right here. It comes with this little package thing. Ain't nothing on it. Nothing on it. But inside it got these lashes right here. These are low-key kind of cute. Especially these right here. This is my kind of style. Yeah. Don't do me in about my nails either. Don't. We're not gonna go there. Cause actually, matter of fact, we're not gonna go there. But yeah, these are the lashes that come in there. Then they have these. They got these press-ons. It's cute, cute, cute. Focus, focus, focus. All right, there we go. Also come with these hoop earrings. You know, simple, cute. All right, now y'all sending some cute stuff in here. All right, they got a scrunchie. Ooh, they got this little scrunchie right here. I'm probably not gonna use it, and they got this right here. I think this is a magnet for your fridge. I'm hoping that's what it is, because that's what I'm using it for. Oh, it comes with this comb and just a little pamphlet right here that gives you the instructions and everything like that. You know, regular. If you ordered a wig before, you know what comes in there and everything. So now we're gonna get into the actual wig. We're gonna get into the actual wig. So let me see if there's a description of what the wig is. There's no description of the wig, but it just say enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme here. Hey, Helena girl. Hey. So that's that. We're gonna put the box to the side. We're gonna put the box to the side and get into the wig. Okay. All right. So here we have a closure. It said closure body. We got a closure body wig. Okay, guys, that's what we have. And I believe it's glueless. It's supposed to be glueless. That's why they have the band right here, so it's good, you know, much more security. All right, it's glueless, but you know, I'm gonna use some spray to hold it down because it's just me. It comes with hold on, let me make sure I give y'all the tea. All right, so it's a comb right here, a comb on this side, and as well as a comb on the back. And then, you know, you got the adjustable straps right here that you can also use. And again, you have this band that's soldered on the side to give it more security, so that you don't need to use glue or spray or whatever. But if you still do, you do. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. All right, so I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up of how the curls come right now. They like a loose. Hold on one second. I was right. It's a 18-inch body wig glueless lace closure wig. All right, I know what I be talking about. It's gonna be a link in my description box below and all that stuff if you guys want to check it out. But again, let me show you guys how the lace is looking and all that stuff. Can you focus? I hope it's focusing enough for you guys. Let me see. Okay, this is a better look at it. I am gonna actually go in and I'm gonna go in and tint. Well, I'm gonna go in and bleach the knots. That's gonna be, there we go. I'm gonna go in and bleach the knots. So that's gonna be the first thing that we do. And then After that, we're gonna get into all the good stuff. And I just want to zoom in on the curls really quick. Like, the top did get a little bit wet, but look at the bottom. Look how they're so, look at the curls, they're so tight. And the hair, yeah, the hair is so soft, like so soft. Look at the curls. The curls is curling. They doing what they supposed to do. Giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Like, look. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, stop playing. Y'all see this? I know y'all see it because I see it. I know y'all see it because I see it. Yeah. So now we're about to cut the lace off. We're about to cut this off and we're going to see what it looks like. Zoom y'all in. Zooming on in. Ooh. Please be careful when y'all doing this. Don't be crazy like me. Alright, so I'm just going to take out a little bit of hair on both sides because I want to do some baby hairs, but nothing dramatic. Just something really, really natural. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I think that should be enough right there. We're gonna do the same thing to this side, and then we're gonna swoop it and be up out of here. I'm gonna use some Got2b and smooth this down. Stop playing with me, y'all. Stop playing with me. It's looking so cute. Y'all. Old school. Now I'm gonna recurl the front and frame it a bit and see what it's hitting for. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Like, I'm really for real right now. Like, I'm dead serious. I'm done. That's it. This is the final look. Like, it's really giving what it's supposed to give. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sending this wig for this video. Thank y'all so much. Like, I really want y'all to pay attention to how I wish y'all could feel. I really want y'all to know. Like, I wish I could feel how this hair feel right now. It's so soft. It's so soft. And it's holding the curls so nicely. Like, y'all did your thing. Y'all did your thing. Y'all did your thing. Y'all did the damn thing. And I did the damn thing. Listen, make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, like I said. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you guys want to shop. Make sure y'all shop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, there we go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, leave a comment down below and just let me know if you shop with them before or how you like their wigs and everything like that. But like I said, this is a 18-inch body wave glueless closure wig, but I did use some even spray to put it on because I want to keep it on for a few days. I can't stop playing in the hair, y'all, because the hair is so soft. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so I just want to say thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending this wig and everything. Thank you to all my supporters and my subscribers. Like, look at this, y'all. Your girl got a sponsorship. Your girl got a sponsor. Your girl got your girl got a sponsor. Your girl got her sponsorship. Yes. Yes. Now this hair is so cute, y'all. I really do like the hair. Like, I love the hair. I love the curls. I'm like, I haven't had black hair in so long, and for it to be looking like this and looking like that, like this, like, oh, look at that, it's so cute. And look at the clothes, like, look at it, just look. And this is with spray, okay, plucked to the gourds and all that stuff, okay. So yes, make sure you guys shop with them. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Make sure y'all notification bells is on for my videos. And keep supporting me, keep pushing, keep liking, keep everything, keep sharing, because sharing got me here, okay? And thank y'all so much, and I really appreciate it. I'm out of here, okay? I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Bye.